In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the logo on your Framer website. Framer is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to create professional websites without needing to dive into coding. It's especially popular among designers for its user-friendly interface and robust capabilities. So, if you're ready to update your site's branding with a fresh logo, let's dive right into it. To begin, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to the Framer website. Here you'll find a wide array of features that make creating your site both fun and functional. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log in, so go ahead and click on the Login button at the top right corner. Enter your credentials, and you'll be taken to your Framer home. This is where all of your projects live, and it's an organized hub that allows you to track everything in one place. Next, once you're logged in and on your Framer homepage, you'll see a list of all your current projects. If you're like most users, this is where all your innovative ideas come to life. From this selection, go ahead and click on the project you're looking to update with the new logo. Once you open the project, the interface will load up, showcasing your design workspace. This is where the magic happens. Now, you want to locate the current logo within your project. It will usually be positioned at the top of the page, serving as a crucial branding element for your website. Click on your existing logo, and this should prompt an edit menu or options panel where you can manipulate design elements. This user-friendly interface is designed to make the editing process seamless. In this menu, you have the option to select a new image to use as your logo. Whether you have a new design ready or are using a placeholder, ensure the image is a suitable format and size for optimal display. Once you've made your selection, upload the image. Immediately, the new logo should appear on your design workspace, reflecting on your live site once you've published the changes. And there you have it, a brand new logo on your Framer website, updated without any fuss or complex coding. This simple yet powerful update helps ensure that your site's branding stays fresh and aligned with your vision. So, keep exploring and innovating with Framer, and don't hesitate to revisit these steps whenever you need to make quick adjustments to your website. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!